Hello students, beta today we are going to start 3-pin plug and socket. So beta we know that all the electrical appliances that are in our house, it is having a cable and one end of the cable is attached with this plug beta. This is an ebonite case in which three that metallic pins are there. This upper pin will be for the earthing. This is called earth pin. Then beta which is towards the right, that will be for the neutral wire, means its connection will be given to the neutral wire, and this is which is towards the left side, it will be connected to the, it means it has to attach with the live wire. You can remember like that, left means left side and live wire means for the remembering, otherwise students are getting nervous. So in this way you can remember बच्चे, upper pin, that upper pin, that is no problem is there, that is for earthing because it is longer and thicker one. Then which is towards the right beta, it is for neutral. Which is towards left and live, you see starting word letter is same only, so you can remember which is towards the left side, that will be for the, that pin has to be attached with the live wire for the live connection. Then beta this one, if good quality pins are there, if good quality that plugs are there, always they are writing here, this is for earth, this is for neutral, this is for live. But in some plugs we have to understand it. Then you see the difference beta, why this earth pin is longer and thicker one. That two questions are there in that part. Beta, it is thicker one so that by mistake it may not be inserted in neutral, and means when we have to put it in the socket, गलती से भी जो अर्थ पिन है वो लाइव जहाँ न्यूट्रल के होल में ना चली जाए, so that it may not be connected with the live or neutral wire. Then why it is longer one beta, it is longer one so that if the appliance is defective beta, as the live wire will come in contact, तो जो जे अर्थ वाली होएगी बेटा, through this one when it will make the connection with the earth, then heavy current will flows to the earth and your appliance, उसका fuse जो होएगा वो blows off हो जाएगा, and because you are also touching it and your appliance, it will, you will also get safe and your appliance will also get safe. Then next is beta, next one is third thing beta, third thing also please keep in your mind. Here beta, in good quality plugs the pins are splitted at the ends. Why? Because they will serve as the spring action beta. Whenever we have to connect it in the socket, what we will do, we have to make the pins tight. Pins must not be loose. If they will be loose, then what will be there? There will be chances of sparking. So you have to be careful. Then next one is beta socket. We know that beta, this is the fixture in the distribution board in which the plug is inserted, and you see beta, this one here different holes are there, upper one, and inside it beta that brass pins are there which are connected with the earth wire, neutral wire and live wire. और आपने याद रखना है बेटा, earthing is always at the top. Then the hole which is towards the right side in the socket, that will be for the live connection, and which is towards the left side, that will be for the न्यूट्रल कनेक्शन. मीन्स जो हमने उसमें पढ़ा है, प्लग में पढ़ा उससे उलट है बेटा, राइट और लेफ्ट का उससे उलट है. उसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि that left side pin was for the live connection, but here the hole which is towards the left side, it will be for the neutral, and which is towards the right side, it will be for the live connection. Please keep it in your mind. Then next topic our comes beta, what are the safety precautions? कई बार क्या होता है, in hurry and worry we our hands are wet and we are starting inserting the plug in the socket. ऐसा नहीं करना बेटा. So first precautionary measure is that your hands must be dry. Hands must not be wet because water will form the conducting layer between the hand and that one and you may get a shock. Second one, already I told, pins must be tight. Pins must not be loose. Loose connection will give the sparking. Then beta, our next topic is high tension wires. Color coding already I have told you. Please beta, you have to do it yourself according to the new convention and old convention. Next is high tension wires beta. High tension wires, what are they beta? High tension wires means which are having the ability to carry heavy current. So high tension wires means the wires which are having the ability to carry heavy current. And beta heavy current के लिए resistance must be low. For that resistance must be low. And how we will keep the resistance low beta? If the surface area of wires will be large. Surface area must be large. These are two characteristics of high tension wires beta. First of all, please learn the definition. Then if we are knowing that for the ACs, for that one beta we have to use the thicker wire. Thicker wire में से ही करंट ज़्यादा पास होएगा ना, because their resistance is low. तो वो वाली तार जो होती है बेटा, वो वाली वायर केबल जो होती है, it is very costlier. So instead of that, what we are doing, we are taking the 2-3 that thinner wires because they are cheaper ones, and we are twisting them together, and then they will serve the purpose of high tension wires. Because by doing this, we have increased the surface area. So if surface area will be large, resistance will become low. Resistance कम हो जाएगी, and if resistance will become low beta, then they can carry the heavy current. There will not be chances of heating of the wires. So no chances will be there of that fire. So with this beta, please 2-3 points you have to remember in this chapter. That live wire is always connected with the fuse, and switch are always connected with the live wire. Then with which wire the metallic case of the appliance is connected? Please keep in your mind that is with earth wire. Then name the wires which are having the same potential. Then you will say that one is earth wire and neutral wire. Then after that, what is the potential of the live wire? That you have to say 220 voltage. Earth wire and neutral wire, they are at 0 potential. Then next one beta, that one color coding of the wires. Please learn them by heart. Sometimes they are giving you indirect questions from that part. Please suppose that they are giving you इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस मीन्स दे विल आस्क यू लाइक दैट कि ये एप्लियंस है, उसकी ये वाली पिन, उसकी ये वाली वायर है, उसका कलर जो है रेड है, तो आप उसको किसके साथ अटैच करोगे? तो देन ये आपको कलर कोडिंग पता होएगी, देन ओनली यू कैन से द आंसर कि हमने इसके साथ स्विच लगाना है या हमने इसके साथ फ्यूज लगाना है. जो सपोज करो उन्होंने आपको अर्थ वायर का दे दिया है, आपको नहीं पता ये अर्थिंग वायर है, आपको सिर्फ उन्होंने कलर कोडिंग दी है, मे बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू वन, मे बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओल्ड वन, पर जे आपको कलर कोडिंग पता है बेटा, तो इमीडिएटली यू विल से दैट कि उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में पूछ लिया कि उन्होंने डिफरेंट कलर कोडिंग आपको दे दी, लाइट भी दे दी, न्यूट्रल भी दे दी, अर्थ भी दे दी, सिर्फ कलर्स दिए हैं। देन उन्होंने पूछा आपको विद विच वायर द मेटेलिक पार्ट ऑफ द एप्लायंस विल बी कनेक्टेड। तो बेटा ये आपको पता होएगा कि मेटेलिक पार्ट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विद द अर्थ वायर, और अर्थ वायर का कौन सा कलर है, जो कलर पता होएगा देन ओनली यू कैन से ना विद दैट कलर्ड वायर दैट मेटेलिक पार्ट विल बी कनेक्टेड। So please these small questions do it beta. And the last topic beta, safety precautions, that please read from your book. That is very easy topic, and we will meet soon. Okay beta.